What screams I'm uneducated? When I was a kid, I stayed with my grandparents for a summer. My uncle and his 2 kids already lived with my grandparents. The local library there had a reading competition to see who could read the most books, and I won. It should come as no surprise that I was a bookworm. My uncle became enraged by this because I beat my 2 cousins, and he proceeded to subject me, an 8-year-old, to a long rant about how book smarts don't really matter, and that street smarts are more important. I specifically remember him towering over me, shouting, "How is a book going to help you when someone tries to stab you?" Well, a few decades later, I'm a relatively successful professional due entirely to my book smarts. And perhaps more importantly, I have never been stabbed. My uncle, now 60-something, still lives with my grandmother. He's unemployed and smokes pot all day, and his son, one of the street-smart cousins, is in jail for stabbing someone.